Yeah, these conditions are always hard for the tires. It's hard to get the temperature on. So it's going to be tricky tonight, I think, for everybody, especially when we have a yellow and all the tires get covered with a lot of the old rubber. I mean, it's going to be difficult restarts, but it's safe for everybody. We had this experience last year, but I think we have a good package, and hopefully we can bring the low stars to the podium again.
And your man here, Luis Diaz, did a fabulous job yesterday in qualifying. That was a very exciting session, wasn't it?
Absolutely, it was fantastic. We were so close to get the overall pole, and
10:30 to 11, come by the Mazda display in the paddock to receive your autograph from all of your favorite Star Mazda drivers. Again, make sure you stop by the Mazda display in the paddock from 10:30 to 11 to get your autograph from these young stars.
Absolutely, great idea, and we're waiting for the word to do the command. Patron so much for being involved in this championship this year, and you've been having a good time here. As we're getting ready to
start your engine.
All right, we are ready to get this one going. Stephanie, thanks so much. Thank you so much. The gentleman who was just announced as this year's most improved driver, and deservedly so, is Tim's Auto Body Porsche, the 7 of Tim Rosengrant. 12th overall, 4th in the Gold Cup category. For Works 2 P7 Racing, the 25 is Bob Rodriguez. Starting 11th overall, 8th in the Platinum class, and a great debut weekend for this season. First time we've seen him this year in the Mercer Motorsports Porsche. A great job, and welcome to 75 of Rich Walton. We move to our top 10 overall, 7th in the Platinum class. Number 40 for Feuerbacher Lowes Racing is Darrell Carlisle, a race winner this year. 9th overall, 3rd in the Gold Cup, with a few podiums this year for Magnus Energy Marketing at Feuerbacher Lowes Racing. The 81 is Ben McCracken. 8th overall, 6th.